Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download and install iCloud in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just go to search and type store. We'll be having the Microsoft Store. Open it, and here we'll be having the search apps. Just search for iCloud, and we'll be having the iCloud app. Select it, and this is officially from Apple, as you can see here, from Apple, and this has around 26,000 ratings. If you want to download any other Apple app, you can just go here and check it out. So just click on get over here. This will take some time to download and install. Just be patient for a while. Once it is done, we will be having the open option over here. Go to search and type iCloud. We'll be having the iCloud app. You can create a desktop shortcut or pin it to taskbar. Just open it now, and we'll be getting the iCloud interface like this. Click on get started and just sign in with your Apple account and you can start using it. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.